I've heard the Montana Constitution talked about as a living document. What does that mean?
We have a very unique state constitution here in Montana. It sets forth certain rights that the federal constitution doesn't have. But the idea or the concept of it being a living constitution or a living document is simply just that we try to interpret the provisions of the Constitution in the context of what our lives are like today, what our society is like today, right? The right of privacy is a unique constitutional provision in our state statute, right? What does the right of privacy mean today in our age of technology versus what it meant back when the Constitution was enacted?
And then when they were talking about privacy back in 1889, this is my land holding and I'm entitled to certain rights in here. But today, with all the digital tracking and all these things on our phones and our social media accounts and all that, we still have a right to privacy there.
Yeah, you've hit it right on the head. The landscape that we have today in Montana looks very different. And the right to privacy isn't just the only right that needs to be contextualized. Take, for instance, certain rights that we have to public lands, to stream access. We've got a lot of out-of-state money buying up very large tracts of land, wanting to restrict the public's access. And so it creates real constitutional conflicts for the courts to decide.
So this living document was created by Montanans to help form what this state would ultimately be. So the law has to adapt to still protect us.